Hey Steve, how's it going? Thank you very much for clicking the video. This is Lucas, and this is the video I was telling you about the three little things that I found on your website that you can fix really easily so you can start beating your competition online. In this case, Lars Remodel and Miramar Kitchen and Bath are the guys that when you look San Diego Kitchen Remodel show at the very top of Google, right here and right here. So these guys are the ones getting all the business. But by implementing these three things that I'm gonna tell you about, you can be over there and beating them, getting all that business, if not more. You may wonder why I made this video for you. And the answer is simple. I know business owners are really busy taking care of their business and helping their customers. So they don't really have time to learn how to use the internet to bring them more business. And also when it comes to hire somebody to do that for you, it's hard to tell who's an expert and who's not if you don't have the experience. So I like to make these free educational videos for business owners and send it to them so that way they can have all the information. And then some of them they like to take the information and put it in practice themselves, but some of them they call me and they have me doing it for them. Either option is okay with me. I just do this because it's my passion and I love to help. But if you like what you see, please give me a call if you want me to help you get in there and or send me an email and we can talk. That said, let's jump into it. I'm going to tell you about the three things that the Google search engine uses to rank a website at the very top that you can implement on your website. First, I'm going to tell about content, then backlinks, and then citations. Content is, you can imagine, is everything that is on your website. And you see that you have already some text here, some really good looking pictures, okay? All these counts as content. Text, pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and also what is behind those pictures. I see that you have about 400 words right here. As you see, for example, Lars Remodel has a lot of content, a lot of pictures, a lot of text, okay? Usually, Google likes to see about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content in the websites that they rank at the top. So you see this guy has 1,500. Miramar Ktichen and Bath also has a lot of content too, all right? So you want to get about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content on your website. Why keyword rich? A keyword is basically the terms that people are looking up on Google the most regarding the services that you provide. So you look up for San Diego Kitchen Remodel, kitchen renovation companies, etc., etc. You find the ones that people are looking up the most, and you want to drop those terms several times within those 2,000 words. That way, when somebody look it up, Google can find your website and show it to them. Second thing, backlinks. Backlink is basically when another website puts a link that when you click it, it takes you back over here to your website. And this works kind of like a popularity contest. Google loves to see a bunch of relevant websites, sorry, vouching for you. So basically, you can get a backlink for any kind of website. You can get a backlink for a website that talks about fashion, for a website that talks about food, but the ones you want to get is backlinks about from websites that talk they're renovation companies or construction companies. Google, what really gives you the power and the trust on Google's eyes is when companies on your same niche vouch for you. That's what you need to go for. Okay, those are the ones you want to go after. And how you check backlinks? We use a tool called Ahrefs. You see, when I put over here your website, I can see that you have no referring domains. That means that there's no websites out there that have a link that when you click it, it takes you back over here. And this is really, really, really important on Google sites, all right? Because that is what it's giving you the trust for them to say, okay, I'm gonna show these guys on the top because we trust them. A lot of people is putting and mentioning them out there, so that might be for a reason. As you see, Lars Remodel has 74 referring domains. I mean, Miramar Ktichen and Bath, they have 38. And these ones are also really, really strong. That's why they don't need that many to rank up, okay? So how you got them? You just copy them. If they're good for them, they're good for you as well. So you go through every single of these websites and through every single one of these ones, you make a profile and you drop a link to your site on that profile. That way, you'll be matching them. And then you add some more on top, and that way you'll be beating them. Now you beat them in content, and now you beat them in backlinks. So you will be securing this first spot and all the business that comes with it. Also, last thing I want to tell about is citations. Citations is what it gets you on the MacPack app here. And this is something that you can do completely for free. A citation is basically your business information listed in several directories all throughout the web. Directories like Yellow Pages, Facebook, Yelp, White Pages, Angie's List, I don't know. It's thousands of them out there. All right. So all you need to do is You check how many citations your competition has with one of the many tools that you can find to check them. And same with the backlinks. You copy them because if they're good for them, they're good for you. So you copy them and then you want to add at least another 100. What I do, for example, if they had 150, I would probably go for 300. That way, when they try to catch up with you, when they realize that now you're the one on the very, very top, they start building more citations and you start doing the same thing. So it's really hard for them to ever catch up to you. All right. And now for a little recap, you need 2,000 words of keyword rich content on your front page. Then you need a healthy, strong backlink profile that you can start building by copying your competition and then adding some extra ones and then build at least 100 citations more than that. So if you're interested in this in order to grow your business and getting that phone ringing like crazy, I would recommend you to start as soon as possible, since implementing all this takes some time, and the sooner you're done, the sooner your phone will be ringing. That said, if you like the video and you want me to help you get in there, give me a call or send me an email and I'll be more than happy to do so. But if you want to take all this information and do it for free, sorry, for yourself, just uh, just take it and implement it yourself. If you have any questions throughout the process, just give me a call and I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching. And the only thing I ask you for is I do these videos for free. So if you can give me a little bit of feedback, I would really appreciate it.